Shufti Pro, true identity builds trust. NFC-based verification is an ideal KYC solution for the businesses looking forward to digitizing their customer onboarding processes. Shufti Pro can proficiently confirm a user's identity through mobile onboarding with market-leading accuracy and speed in just 3 simple steps. Firstly, the end user captures the image of their NFC-enabled ID document. Secondly, the end user taps the NFC-enabled ID document against their phone. Then Shufti Pro matches the data from the NFC chip with the data on document image that user provided in Step 1 within 30 to 60 seconds, and the user is verified. The best part? Shufti Pro's NFC verification solution supports 150+ languages in 230+ countries and territories, providing 98.67% accuracy rate, hence building trust globally.